Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by rebooting your router and modem to clear temporary network faults and cache. Restart your Windows 11 laptop next to ensure the wireless adapter resets and reconnects. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then click Wi-Fi to confirm networks available. Disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi toggle to force the adapter to reinitialize and scan. If a problem persists, run the built-in network troubleshooter from Settings to collect basic diagnostics. Also check other devices to see if they lose Wi-Fi in the same place. Open Device Manager and expand Network Adapters to inspect your wireless driver and device. Right-click the adapter to update driver or roll back driver if an update caused disconnects. If no update helps, download the latest driver from the laptop or adapter manufacturer website. Open the Adapter Properties and Power Management tab to uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Change your Windows power plan to high performance to prevent aggressive adapter sleep and frequent disconnects. Restart after changes to apply them fully. Log into your router and try changing wireless channels or split 4 GHz and 5 GHz into separate SSIDs. Temporarily force a connection to one band to determine whether band roaming causes the disconnects. Set your Windows IP4 DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out DNS issues, then test again. Run Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network, reset to reinstall network adapters, and clear corrupted settings. Update router firmware and Windows to the latest versions to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.